Just to show you where some of the tools for structure and navigation are located in Google Docs, they are similar to the tools that you would use in Microsoft Word or other platforms, just so you have an idea of what it is you're looking for. When you hear semantic headings used for hierarchy, we are talking about this tool, your styles tool in your menu bar, and that allows you to tag text as normal, heading 1, heading 2, and so on. The proper tagging is important for users who are using assistive technology, but it has an added benefit for visual users as well because it will put it in this kind of outline format for you. So I have mine already tagged. So all I did was I highlighted my text, and that is my heading 1. And then I highlighted my sections, and those were my heading 2s. I don't have a heading 3, but if I did, I would highlight the text. I would label it as heading 3, and notice it's now indented and the title of that is included in this outline format. So that is what they're referring to. Let me undo that. Under the semantic headings. In addition, we need to tag things correctly for assistive technologies. So use your list icons rather than spacing or tabbing over to type content. And those are right here. So we're talking about the checklist or the bullet list or the numbered list. Use those icons to create lists for your content, and it'll be tagged correctly automatically for you. Additionally, if you are using a table, so I inserted a table here. If you hover over it, you see this little pin. You're going to select pin header to this row, and that will appropriately tag your table for assistive technologies. There is more to it than this, but these are the basics that will help you get started to make sure your content is accessible.